So what we're doing right now is we're doing the ambient test for the photography side for our photographers. So ang setting natin right now is 1/16 power. It's manual, of course. As we can see, looking at the trigger, there's the settings, of course. So ang setting ng camera natin right now, if you can look at the screen of the camera, right there, we're at 3200 ISO. Okay. F4 at 1/160th shutter speed. Alright? So basically, ang tinitingnan natin dito is yung ambient light, yung ganda ng setup ng ambient light ng ating lights and sounds ay hindi mawala. Pero may kicker light tayo na softbox for our photographers, making sure na maliwanag ang mukha ng ating mga guests. Sa science, right there, yung balance. And what we're looking at is mapaganda pa. Look at it in the same eyes as the humans and the camera.